Let's make the Cuba Libre recipe from the 12-bottle bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. We are going to build this drink in the glass, and the glass is either a Collins, which I'm going to be using, or a rocks. The first step is to fill that glass with ice. Filled enough. Then we're going to put 1.5 ounces of rum into our glass. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Okay. Add 6 ounces of Coca-Cola, or not Coca-Cola, any cola really. I'm going to be using Mexican Coca-Cola. It's my cola of choice. And I am going to be measuring this out just to see how well I did on my measurements. Normally, with this sort of thing, I would not measure. Ooh, and that's fuzzing. Pour slower. It's going to throw off my measurements, isn't it? Normally I wouldn't measure it. What's the point of measuring this? Authenticity, that's it. Okay. Then the garnish is a lime wedge, which you're supposed to squeeze in, which means this may cross into the Cuba Libre category. Drop in and give it a gentle stir and a straw. And there you have it, the Cuba Libre from the 12-bottle bar. Drink with good spirits.